What is truck washing? Truck washing cleans heavy-duty vehicles such as trucks, trailers, and other large equipment. Truck washing can be done at home or commercially using specialized equipment and detergents. Tanker washout, steam cleaning, pressure washing, and foam washing are all methods of truck washing. If you need more time or resources to do a thorough truck wash, there are plenty of convenient locations that offer truck washing services. These include professional car washes, truck stops, and service centers. They use specialized equipment and detergents designed specifically for cleaning trucks. They also offer additional services such as waxing, polishing, and detailing. It is to maintain the aesthetic of trucks and trailers. It also helps to protect them from corrosion, dirt, and other elements that can cause damage over time. Details and exterior features such as windows, undercarriage, and wheels should all be washed regularly. For instance, in a trailer washout, the interior of a trailer is cleaned with hot water and detergents.